Oh, that's like my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. You guys have been saying that I should show you how I sort of like keep my wigs detangled. Pretty wigs never get tangled, so I'm just going to show you this trick of how you can keep it like untangled. Like even when I'm washing my hair does not get tangled whatsoever. You know, like I used to have the same issue where whenever I have curly hair, like the following morning after doing my curly hair, it just tangles, and I hated that so much. So I finally learned how to keep your hair detangled and not tangled at all. You would have seen that I already have my hair styled over here, and this is because this is my next wig install. So I've done it, like I just find it easier if I'm going to do like an updo to just do it on here. For washing my hair, I use this shampoo over here. It's by Tresemme and it says smooth and silk. I believe you can literally wash your hair with any shampoo or any conditioner. It really does not have to be these two. It's just that I've been using these for long, but I mean I can use any other shampoo that I have in the house and any other conditioner. You'll see that I use different things. I don't just stick to these. I know how to treat hair, so I know how to sort of like maneuver throughout that. So if you don't know how to wash your hair and how to treat your hair, let me know so that I can film a video for you as well. But for today we're just focusing on not getting the wig tangled when you have it on. In order for this to work, your hair needs to be like clean, or if it is already on your hair, if you don't have it on the mannequin, just run your hair in the shower, wash it clean. So for me, because I already have it here and it's already clean, I'm just going to run water on it. It's detangled, it has nothing, you can see like it's flowy, it's not tangled whatsoever. It's just for me to sort of like put in water and let's go through with the process. If you already have your hair like on your head, what you can do instead of if you don't want to run it on the shower, you can just use the spray, because you need your hair to sort of like be wet. Because I'm not in the shower, you guys, like washing my hair, I think if you already have your wig on, it would be much easier for you to do it. So I don't want to get wet or anything like that. So I've got to kind of like make every part like wet, so that this process can work out easily. I mean, like if you do this with your hair, you can have your curly hair curly and looking nice and not tangling for more than a week or something like that. And if you feel like it's getting dry again, you can wash your hair, do the same thing again if you want to have your wig for like 2 weeks or something like that. This process will always work. It's just that you've got to get like each and every part like wet, child. It must be wet so that everything can work out and we can work together. Dealing with curly hair, you need to brush it like from the bottom going up, making sure that your hair is not tangled whatsoever. I know that you can see that this hair is already detangled, it's not tangled. It's important for your hair not to be tangled so that you can achieve like a cohesive hairstyle where there's no tangling, because the tangling starts once one part is tangled and then it gets the entire hair like tangled. So it's important for your hair to be detangled. You just start like with a small section so that you don't do too much. So I'm just going to hold this one over here, use this, hold it, and I know that I'm working with a super small section, so I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. This one is a leave-in conditioner. This is Dark and Lovely. Honestly, you guys, you can use any one that you want to use, and I'm going to go in with my Soft and Freestyling Gel. Whichever one you have at home, try it, use it. Don't go out there and buy stuff, rather use what you have at first. Then if it's not working, then you can sort of like buy whichever one that you want to buy. Just a little bit of the leave-in, so going in it and going down, small Going in as well with a little bit of gel. Can you see that? Like I feel like dealing with curly hair is a lot, but once you like get it correctly, then there's no way that you'll ever get it wrong again. I'm telling you, like doing this method, it lasts for me for like a couple of days and I don't feel like my hair is getting tangled. I don't take off my installation because of it tangling. Now I simply take it off because like I'm tired of having that particular hairstyle, so I want to change it. So that for me has really changed the game. I think for the longest time we were told that, oh, so yeah, after putting in the product, I just go in with this. And afterwards, you guys, you can just choose to like finger tangle. So like just styling your hair. But I just like doing this like in sections, not too much of it, so that it just curls up. I'm just going to show you like how it comes out. You can do it like in smaller sections. Don't be me and do it in bigger sections. Can you see like how that comes out? It's a beautiful curl. I'm just going to do it like in smaller sections as well, so that my hair doesn't come out like looking super big. So like literally, I know it's time consuming, but believe me, like after you've done it, child, it's gonna look so good and it's gonna last so long. So this, you don't have to keep it for long. This is just you just curling your hair and giving it a nice pattern. I mean, if you like it looking like this as well, like the normal pattern, you can. And after some time, like once that comes off, like I think it will come off like after 3 days if you don't detangle it, like if you don't undo it yourself, it will come out after like a couple of days. But yeah, I just like giving my hair like a little bit of a curl and a pattern, and yeah, just like a nice thing to do for my personal hair. I hope like you can see it like from that direction over there. Look at that. Honestly, watching our people doing, because for the longest time they said, oh no, use Curl La La, oh no, it works best, oh no, buy Revive. And then you buy all of those products, you find out, oh my gosh, these products are not working at all. In fact, my wigs are still tangling and I can't wear it for longer than 2 days because you get so annoyed with this tangling business and all of everything that is happening with the hair that you're just like, oh my god, I'm giving up. The only time like where I felt like I had my style like my best, like in terms of my curly hair, was when the stylist did it for me. And when he was doing it, he was like literally hiding it so that I can't see, because he knew that I was complaining on social media and saying that I don't know how to maintain my hair or maintain my curly hair and not get it tangled. So he knew that I was going to steal his idea, so he kept on hiding it so that I can come back every time when I need that particular hairstyle, or if I don't want my hair tangling. Yeah, I guess you get my point. I just changed to my conditioner over here. You can do that as well. Just use conditioner if you have it. If you have live-in conditioner, you can also use that. Like honestly, whichever one you have, they all just work the same. The other one is a rinse off, the other one is a live-in conditioner, but whichever works best for you. I find that both options work best. I even find that the one that is not a live-in conditioner works better. Like the one that you need to rinse, it works better. This is just me just going through it and combing my hair. So this is the sort of like the natural pattern, but I want my, sorry about the bathroom, someone upstairs is flushing. Anyway, this is the natural pattern that my hair has, but obviously I just want to change it up and switch it up and give it like different patterns as well. Yeah. Guys, if certain parts get dry while you're doing this process, you just need to go in with a little bit of water again. Wet it, because it works best if the hair is nice and damp or wet. This is the final look, you guys, after the wig has dried off. This is in the same day, I think like an hour or two later. This is how it looks. So it lasts like this for probably like 2 to 3 days, and then once you detangle it yourself, it will look a little like this over here. This is how the wig looked, you guys, after an install. Lovely wig. I mean, if you don't want to detangle this pattern, you don't do it if you love it. So I just do it because I want to change sort of like the look of the hair, but when I want to go back to the other one, I do it however it is that I want to do it. Anyway, guys, this is it. I hope you've learned something over here, and I hope that you've picked up something. Let me know, are you gonna do this? Are you not? I'm sure you will though.
Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want